Hi there, Legacy Builders. Today, I want to share 6 life-changing finance and money tips that have truly transformed my life, and I know they can do the same for you. The bonus tip is my favorite. You might want to save this video so that you can come back to it later. Let's go! Number 1, create a budget that reflects your goals. Picture this. You are sitting down with a warm cup of coffee, planning out your dream vacation to the Caribbean. You jot down the cost, flights, accommodation, activities. Take the same energy and apply it to your finances. Create a budget that reflects your goals, whether it's saving for a vacation, buying a home, or paying off debt. Trust me, it's like giving your money a roadmap to success. I remember when I started budgeting, I felt empowered knowing exactly where my money was going. It's a game changer, my friend. Now, number 2, automate your savings. Let's talk about those little wins that add up to big victories. Imagine this, you set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account every paycheck. It's like magic. You won't even notice your money missing. But oh boy, you will notice when you check your savings account down the road. I started doing this a while back, and let me tell you, watching my savings growing without even lifting a finger feels like I'm winning at life. If you are looking for ways to invest in real estate so that you can become financially free, then visit propertyasekow.com to book my free consultation. Coming up next is invest in yourself. Now, I'm not talking about stocks and bonds here, although those are great too. I'm talking about investing in you. Take a course to improve your skills, attend workshops, or even start that side hustle you've been dreaming about. Investing in yourself pays the best interest, as they say. I remember when I decided to learn how to read fast online. Fast forward a few months later, I can finish a book within a week because of those newfound skills. It's amazing what a little investment in yourself can do. Number 4, mindful spending. The joy of spending money. But wait, before you swipe that card, ask yourself, is this something I really need or just something I want in the moment? I used to splurge on unnecessary things all the time until I started practicing mindful spending. Now, I take a beat before making a purchase and ask myself if it is aligned with my goals and values. It's surprising how much money you can save by simply being more mindful about where your dollars are going. If you are enjoying this video, then smash the like button so that together we can spread this video out to like-minded people and hopefully help them as well. Next up, set realistic financial goals. Goals. They give us direction, purpose, and a reason to celebrate. But here is the kicker. They need to be realistic. Set yourself up for success by breaking down your big financial goals into smaller, achievable milestones. Whether it's paying off debts, saving for retirement, or buying a car, celebrate each milestone along the way. I remember when I paid off my student loans. It wasn't easy, but breaking it down into smaller chunks made it feel more manageable. And let me tell you, the feeling of accomplishment was worth every penny pinched. Of course, let's keep the momentum going with 2 more game-changing finance and money tips. Number 6, emergency fund, your financial safety net. Picture this, you are cruising down the highway of life when suddenly you hit a bump in the road. Maybe it's unexpected car repairs, a medical bill, or even a global pandemic. 2020 cough. That's where your emergency fund swoops. That's where your emergency fund swoops in to save the day. Having a stack of cash set aside for emergencies can be a lifesaver when the unexpected strikes. Aim to build at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Trust me, the peace of mind it brings is priceless. I remember when my car broke down unexpectedly, and thanks to my emergency fund, I didn't have to stress about recovering the repairs. It was a real game changer. If this video is helping you in some way, this channel is definitely for you. Subscribe. Bonus tip, educate yourself about personal finance. Applied knowledge is power, my friend. Read books, listen to podcasts, follow finance experts on social media, or even attend financial workshops like my beginner property investor courses. The more you know, the better equipped you will be to make smart financial decisions that align to your goals. I remember when I started diving into personal finance books, it was like unlocking a whole new world of possibilities. Understanding things like investing, taxes, and budgeting became less daunting, and I felt more confident about managing my money effectively. If you are still watching, comment "I'm a legacy builder" below. Your engagement means the world to me. And there you have it. 7 finance and money tips that can truly change your life for the better. Remember, it's all about taking small steps consistently to build a brighter financial future. You've got this.
Be a legacy builder. Watch the full video and don't forget to subscribe.